हेलो गाइस, वेलकम। एंड आज की वीडियो में हम कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले तो ये बुक के बारे में मैं बहुत बार बता चुका हूँ, और आज मैं इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो के बारे में आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, जो कि है प्रिंसिपल्स फॉर सक्सेस फ्रॉम रे डालियो, फाउंडर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट हेज फंड। सो दिस इज़ द गाय आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। सो ये बुक थी जो मैंने रिसेंटली कंप्लीट करी थी, एंड दिस इज़ आई थिंक बाय फार द बेस्ट बुक आई हैव लाइक रेड सो फार, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डेफिनेटली। तो ये बुक, अगर इफ़ यू रीड दिस बुक यू विल गेट टू नो अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ। उससे पहले मैंने ना सोचा कि आपको ये एक पिक्चर दिखाता हूँ। सो दिस पिक्चर इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट। रीज़न ये है कि ये जो इमेज है, दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ रोड मैप और अ माइंड मैप फॉर यू, या कुछ भी, मतलब इसे मान लो आप कि रे डालियो की कोई भी आप ना प्रेजेंटेशन देखोगे, कोई भी वीडियो देखोगे, ही टॉक्स अबाउट दी स्टफ बिकॉज आई थिंक व्हाट ही सेज इज कि लाइफ इज़ ऑल अबाउट दिस. It doesn't really matter, it's your personal goals, life goals, your business goals, your relationship goals, whatsoever it is. This goes like this. So that, first you have some goals, you see some failures. So ये actually 5 step method है जिसके through you can like go ahead in your life and achieve whatever you want from your life. So first you have like big goals, then you get some failures, right? You move on and you see some failures. उसके बाद you have to learn some principles. So ये बहुत interesting चीज़ है. I think इसे इसे करना जो है ना, that would be a challenge. But it's a very good challenge because if you can figure these principles, if you can basically note down and implement these principles, I think you will have a algorithm for any problem, or algorithm for for your life, for your goals, everything. So suppose let's take an example. You are running a e-commerce store, so you have a goal of $10,000. So you are going ahead, or you got a problem. For example, you are not able to find a product. So मैं एग्ज़ाम्पल एक्चुअली इसमें एक बहुत नॉर्मल सा दे रहा हूँ. ये वीडियो शायद नॉन ई कॉम वाले लोग भी देखेंगे, बट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू अ नॉर्मल एग्जांपल कि किसी ने सोचा कि मैं वेबसाइट बनाता हूँ और उस वेबसाइट के ऊपर प्रोडक्ट बेचूंगा. तो उसका ये गोल था. वो आगे बढ़ा, उसको फेलियर मिला प्रोडक्ट में. सबसे पहला फेलियर उसे मिला, मान लो उसे प्रोडक्ट नहीं समझ आ रहा, ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू फाइंड आउट कि मैं क्या बेचूँ अपनी वेबसाइट के ऊपर. देन ही इज़ फेसिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर फेलियर राइट नाउ. सो अब इस जगह पे ही हैज़ टू लाइक लर्न, ही हैज़ टू लर्न some principles, so that he makes a system कि जो प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च है उसके लिए what needs to be done to find a winning product, what needs to be done. For example, he needs to find out what competitors are selling. He needs to find out, okay, what kind of product like normally goes really good in the market, and he needs to find out, okay, uska pricing kya honi chahiye us product ki. So all these things, so he needs to like basically create a principle. So if he starts again with a new website, he can visit these principles again, and he knows like, okay, मुझे पहले ये करना पड़ेगा, दूसरे पॉइंट में ये करना पड़ेगा, तीसरे पॉइंट में ये करना पड़ेगा. Then you learn those principles, you implement, go ahead and you implement all those things, you improve on those things. Again, if you get failure, you again learn something, until you basically like exit, take an exit from this loop. So जैसे ही you take an exit from this loop to here, I think मेरी पेंसिल इस पे काम करेगी. I just need to change the color. Let's see if I can change the color to something whitish because ये black है. So you need to, so ये loop आपका चलता रहेगा तब तक, and until you basically बाहर नहीं निकलते आप उस लूप से. तो ये बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो, मैं इस वीडियो का ना लिंक भी दे दूँगा. सो कहाँ की ये वीडियो, सो ये रही है वीडियो, मैं लिंक दे दूँगा इसका. और इसके अलावा मैं आई रियली हाईली रिकमेंड दिस बुक. सो दोज हु आर द रीडर्स, जो रीडर्स हैं दे बाय द बुक, जो रीडर्स नहीं हैं दे वॉच द वीडियो. और जो वीडियो भी नहीं देखते और रीडर्स भी नहीं है, दे जस्ट सी दिस प्लान एंड जस्ट गो अहेड एंड डू दैट, लाइक टेक ऑल द एक्शंस। अब कई लोगों को शायद इस चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी और मे बी शायद ये चीज़ें वो पहले से इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, सब लोगों की लाइफ अलग अलग है, बट इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ रोड मैप विच आई थिंक रे हैज़ बीन लाइक शेयरिंग विद द होल वर्ल्ड कि now I'm in that phase of my life where I just want to give away whatever I have learned so far. So he is one of the one of those, like he belongs to a company. He created a company which is the world largest hedge fund. So पता नहीं last 30 सालों के अंदर like they haven't lost anything, something like that. So I really highly recommend this book. So go ahead and read this book. It's the book name is Principles, by Ray Dalio, and it's available on Amazon and all those things. अगर अभी Amazon नहीं काम कर रहा, you can always YouTube and find out आपको फ्री में मे बी शायद वो ऑडियो बुक्स भी मिल जाएंगी. So you can do that. अब हम बात करते हैं, इसका कलर दोबारा चेंज करना पड़ेगा. वी नीड टू चेंज द कलर वंस अगेन. वेयर इज द कलर? हियर इज द कलर. ओके, इट इज़ वर्किंग नाउ. So ये important था. I thought of sharing with you all because this is what I am doing right now these days, and I'm learning all these parts. Now let's talk about something which is related to business. Business as in so कई लोग मेरी तरह होंगे जिन लोगों ने कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ छोड़ के they started like their own business and they started their entrepreneur journey. So it's been almost 4 years. जब मैंने मतलब 2016 में जून में I left my job. So it's been like 4 years now. और तब से लेके अब तक I am doing only e-com. इस दौरान I have learned a lot of stuff. Like I have learned a lot of stuff. So first year, just to let you know like how it started, just to give you a glimpse of it, कि कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ सब कुछ. सो 2015 में मैंने ऑनलाइन जर्नी स्टार्ट करी थी. 2015 में ही करी थी, राइट, 15 में ही करी थी. आई वॉज डूइंग लाइक SEO, PBN सेलिंग, ऑल दो स्टफ. कई लोगों को नहीं मालूम होगा इन चीज़ों के बारे में, बट जस्ट इमेजिन कि हाँ, हम वेबसाइट रैंक करना और ये सब कुछ चीज़ें. तो आई स्टार्टेड दिस इन 2015. फिर उसके बाद by the end of 2015 I get to know about this e-com thing. और उसके बाद 2016 में kind of I think February or March में I started doing e-com, serious e-com business. उस समय I was doing a job. So I was doing it like alone. I was doing it on my own and it was good. Like I really like मैं ऐसा बंदा था जिस बंदे के पास सेविंग्स उस समय कुछ भी नहीं थी. सो seeing those dollars coming in in your bank account was a great feeling. I was able to see some numbers which I was not able to see, like मैंने कभी देखे नहीं थे अपने अकाउंट में, and it was good stuff. I was doing really good. Slowly I was like moving ahead. But then I learned my first, I would say I learned my first principle there. Or I started learning those principles from there. I went into a partnership with one guy. He told me like, okay, and I was pretty new that time, but I was doing some decent numbers, like $1,500 or $1,000 a day, something like that. And it was a big amount for me. It is still a big amount for anyone if you have to take it in that perspective. Okay? Marketing world is all about bragging. I know it is very common in the marketing world to brag about big numbers. But yeah, that was a big number. It is still a big number for a lot of guys, including me, for everyone. So I was approached by a guy who told me like, okay Nick, so what we can do is we can do 50-50. और ये बहुत नॉर्मल है इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर. यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ गाइज जंपिंग ऑन टू यू एंड लाइक इफ़ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग गुड दे विल पार्टनर अप विद यू straight like that. So okay, I was like, okay, fine. And he was offering me all those things which I was lacking that time, and I thought ki those were the limitations for me, which was obviously a good line of credit, so I don't really have to worry about spending money. And the second part was like they have all US companies set up, etc., etc., those things. I said, okay, fine, let me do it. So we started doing it. It started really good. I got my six figures, multiple six figures in dollars, obviously, and I was really doing good. I have launched like couple of products जिसमें कुछ एवरग्रीन प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो मैं आज तक प्रीच करता हूँ सबको, विच इज़ लाइक एक्ने रिमूवर, देयर वाज लाइक मेकअप ब्रश क्लीनर, देयर वाज लाइक ऐप स्टिमुलेटर. और इस ऐप स्टिमुलेटर के साथ तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है, मे बी कभी ना कभी इस पर वीडियो भी बनेगी, बट या. So app stimulator back in 2017. I was doing really good. People were approaching me back then. People were approaching me to, because when you start making noise and you're like doing good numbers, and I was pretty new that time, so people, you also do the bragging thing, because I think that's how the industry works in this space, and the whole industry works like this. So I started posting my pitch, results, 5K, 8K days, like these kind of numbers. Then people, those who are like those were in the internet marketing industry, but they were like not present in the e-com industry. They started reaching out to you for, collaboration. They want to do all these kind of stuff. But I was like kind of very happy doing these numbers, and I was like, I haven't like planned anything big time. I was like doing these numbers. I was making fine money, and I was like happy. I was, but I learned something from that, because at the end of 2017, that partnership was like, dissolved totally. And it was a handshake deal. So first principle is basically what I have learned from is, if you want to do some business, if you want to like, do any kind of a business with anyone, have total transparency. So transparency is another topic, but yeah, don't have a handshake deal. Like if you cannot do a proper paper and paper and pen documents, if you cannot do that, have a video. Like record a video and make a document, online document. Put all those points and read out each and every point, whatever points you want to like bring on the table, whatever, like it doesn't really matter. So मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि आपको इस तरीके की पार्टनरशिप करनी है, but I'm just telling you कि if you are going for a handshake deal, then go for a video handshake deal and record that out, so that you have a proof. People are not bad, but it's just like when money matters comes in, things can go quite wrong, and it happens all the time. So I learned that thing, but I didn't learn that thing. I was like kind of, मैं उससे रूबरू हुआ, अवेयर हुआ, मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि अच्छा ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं. And that thing like dissolved. After that, I was like very e-com के अंदर I had good experiences, like good experience by then. I know how the Facebook works, how product works, how product research works. So I started doing e-com consulting and e-com course. Like my course was e-com Tornado Academy, which is free. You can get that course from the link in the description below. So I started doing e-com consulting and e-com courses and something related to e-com. That's it. And while doing the consulting part, I was like kind of consulting two guys, and then they were like really getting good number of like they were doing like six figures in less than 30 days. And eventually, like after 2 months, they decided, okay, they just wanna I went into again a handshake deal kind of stuff, and it eventually falls apart, and they decided to move on their own. And I was like 100% sure that I'm working with them, and I was like putting everything in. So that was again something which I've learned again and again. The same thing, handshake. Earlier it was a handshake deal, the second time it was a handshake deal. So there are a couple of more principles which I can like right now make like I can keep on going, and I can keep on sharing these kind of stuff. The reason I'm sharing this is because I know I have a decent uh, um following right now, and there are a couple of guys who are doing really good, and there will be a lot of guys who will do really good in e-commerce or other internet marketing industry or whatsoever industry you're gonna do it. You cannot, in my opinion, you cannot do a business ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम के लिए अगर इफ़ यू हैव अ हैंडशेक डील. यू कैन नॉट डू दैट. मतलब कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी. यू कैन नॉट डू दैट and have a very transparent business. Like if you're gonna do a business, so this is something which I've done over and over again. गलती जो मेरी है और जिससे मैंने सीखा है, एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू दोज गाइज जिनकी वजह से मैंने सीखा है. बिकॉज अगर मैंने 6 फिगर्स की अगर इफ़ आई हैव लॉस्ट 6 फिगर्स, दिस इज़ a 6 figure lesson, so this is really precious, right? So you should be thankful to those guys जिनकी वजह से सीखा है. And so transparency is very important. So if you don't have a transparency with your partnership, it's not a partnership. It's not a good partnership for you. Maybe you want to remain in this partnership because of some scarcity, or maybe because of because of this कि यार उसके पास मेरे पैसे हैं, अगर मैं उससे ज़्यादा अभी चूचा करूँगा या कुछ बात करूँगा तो I will lose that money. You need to basically stop that mindset, I guess, honestly. In my opinion, it depends on person to person, but what I believe is if you want to have a peace of mind at the end of the day, and if you want to be that person who is like kind of, you know, unshakable, who do not like really care about, okay, I just know, and who trusts, like who has that ethics within him. So you just have to be very, you know, honest with you. And if it is not transparent, just, you know, as soon as possible, if you get to know okay someone is not transparent, and just break that deal or just stop it right over there. And as soon as you do that, you will have such a peace of mind, and you can then be you know, on your mission once again. As per this particular book, you can just keep on going on your, you know, audacious goals. Because my goal was, since from the beginning, is to have a, you know, independent stuff going on. If you basically neglect this particular thing, जो आपका पहले audacious goal जो आपका था, if you're doing something and if you are stuck in this particular loop, and तो you cannot go to your goals, you cannot achieve those goals, because तुम उसी जगह पे फंस गए, and you just keep on, like, you know, messing up, and you are afraid now, you cannot just face those things. So those guys who are in this industry, I think this is really, really important. So you understand these things, and these are really good lessons, and everyone has to face this issue. Tony Robbins, I guess, he actually shared this same stuff. It happened with him for almost like a decade. So imagine कि मतलब Tony Robbins, like best-selling author, best speaker out there. And so he was, like, you know, doing a lot of webinars, seminars, all those stuff. He kind of lost all the money because his partners were like not being, you know, whatsoever transparent, or whatever it is, a handshake deal or whatsoever. So you really need to like go through this, and now he's like untouchable, unshakable, just like I said, because he is the business, right? He is the business. He has the you know, knowledge. Like no one can take it away from him. And this brings me to the same quote, I think वॉरेन बुफे ने जो सबसे ज़्यादा बार अपनी वीडियोस में कहा है कि the best investment you can do is the invest in yourself, because people can take all those physical stuff from you anytime. Like it can happen anytime. And but जो knowledge आपके पास होगी, the things which you have learned, the mindset which you have, or the skills you have right now, no one can take it away from you. So whenever you're doing a business or you're building up a business, and if you are a partner with someone, or maybe you are doing it all alone, and you lose everything at the end, let's suppose something happens, just see that what you have learned. Just list down all those things which you have learned, because those things, इसमें कोई undo का बटन नहीं है. Like कोई तुमसे छीन नहीं सकता. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो गाइज. आई थिंक थोड़ा मैसी हो गया वीडियो में, कोई भी अलाइनमेंट नहीं होगी, बट आई थिंक कोई भी बिट्स एंड पीसेस में अगर कोई भी बात, अगर इफ़ यू लाइक इट जस्ट लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स कि किस बात के साथ यू कैन रिलेट. एंड that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video. Till the time, take care. Bye bye.